The best way to lose belly fat is through a combination of regular exercise and a balanced diet. Incorporating exercises that target the abdominal muscles, such as planks or crunches, is essential for building strength. Additionally, practicing mindfulness through activities like yoga can help reduce stress, which is known to contribute to belly fat. Consulting with a nutritionist can provide personalized guidance to create a sustainable eating plan tailored to your needs. Setting realistic goals and tracking your progress can help keep you motivated on your journey to lose belly fat. Using technology, like fitness apps, can aid in monitoring your workouts and meals, ensuring you stay on track. Joining a community or group for workouts can provide support and camaraderie, making the process more enjoyable. Consistent physical activity, even through simple push-ups or bodyweight exercises, can significantly contribute to burning fat. Incorporating foods like overnight oats can provide lasting energy, while high-intensity workouts boost metabolism. Mindfulness practices such as meditation can enhance your mental clarity and help you make healthier choices. Involving family and meal prep can cultivate healthier habits and make eating nutritious foods more enjoyable. Engaging in outdoor activities like hiking not only burns calories but also refreshes your mind and body. Staying hydrated with infused water can keep you energized and curb cravings for unhealthy snacks. Incorporating fun activities like dancing into your routine can be an enjoyable way to stay active while boosting your spirits. Taking time for relaxation and self-care is crucial as it helps balance your fitness regime and overall well-being. Incorporating cardiovascular exercises like skipping rope can effectively burn calories and improve heart health. Practicing gentle exercises like Tai Chi can enhance flexibility and mindfulness while promoting relaxation. Shopping at local farmers markets can provide fresh ingredients for your meals while supporting your community. Participating in fun sports with friends can make staying active feel less like a chore and more like a bonding experience.